Okay. Got this angle. On October 26th, I ordered some hair from MyFirstWig. It's this wig company, of course. It's luxury, but it's not that expensive. Kind of going through some stuff right now, but my package is here to kind of make my day a little bit better than it was. It isn't really the regular lace front wigs because I've done lace front wigs before, but I gave up. I couldn't do the, you know, what lace kind of thing. I don't have the skills nor the patience to do that, so I got a headband wig. I saw these headband wigs on their website, not their website, but their Instagram account, and I was like, oh my god, I wish I had that in high school. I'm unboxing it right now. So I'm opening the box. This is what the box looked like. Really, very cute. The hair, I got a 16-inch HBW049, and ooh, I got some coupons. It also comes with this Velcro replacement. It did take a while to come here, but it did already mention that on the website, so I wasn't really, you know, expecting it to come early, but it came very faster than I thought it would because I ordered this on the 26th of October, but today is, yeah, November 15th, so it took, you know, this amount of days because I don't got the brains to calculate all of that right now. Okay, so 10 days. No, not 10 days. It's more than 10 days. Yeah, no, I'm not gonna do the math. Ooh, it came with a wig cap. The funny thing is, I bought wig caps yesterday, and then the actual hair. I wish I had a glam on because I am like the furthest thing from the glam right now. Let me put on at least some eyebrows and some concealer underneath my eyes and do something about this. What if I made some Instagram reels? You know that thing where it says like, even if you don't want day, it cannot always be night, and it does flex up the skirt. Alright, I'm just gonna go. So I got my wig cap on, I did my edges to the best of my ability, and did I say that I have my makeup on? Now I'm about to put the wig on. Let's see how it goes. I'm gonna use this scarf for hiding the headband. Let me back up a little bit so you can see the whole picture. I'm thinking of wearing this more like a wet look style. I got this special headbands where it has little slip preventing thing on it. I love the feeling of the headband. It said the texture of the hair is silky, but it has the hooks to adjust the size of the headband, and it also has the comb in the back, 2 in the side and 1 in the front. I'm gonna go ahead and put the first comb in the front. I haven't done this in such a long time. Oh my god. Oh, it's already looking cute. Holy fudge. And then I'm gonna stretch this part and put the comb inside. Okay, the sides are on. Now to get the back. I look crazy! Now if I put it too tight, I know my head's gonna start hurting, so since the comb is on, I don't think it's necessary. Oh! Ooh. If I knew I was gonna love the hair texture, I would have gotten it longer. This is so weird. Ah! In a good way. Like, my fingers go through it very easily, and of course with curly hair, the more you run your fingers through it, the bigger it gets. Shh, I have neighbors. Okay, I haven't looked in the mirror yet. I'm only looking at the little display on the camera, but done it. Alright, wait, let me adjust the headband. Holy moly. This is so cute. put one single product in this hair. Not one you guys saw me take it out of the little lace bag. I did not put one product in, no comb. This is finger combed, like, and I can still finger comb it and it still gets bigger and it's so soft. And I love that you can still like play around with the top part without like exposing your bald head in the like below it. The back, I got it on my lipstick. I gotta act a little bit more classy now because I have long hair. But this is what the back looks like, and this is the 16-inch. So if you want a little bit more length, I do recommend getting it a little bit longer. But this is the 16-inch and I think it's perfect. It's not tangling. What the hell? What kind of voodoo is going on? This channel is not simply Sango anymore. This is glamorous Sango. Like luxury Sango. It's given luxury. It's given 80s. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Yo, what if my first wig actually reaches out to me after seeing my video and are like, we need to work together? I'll be like, I finally have hair to whip too. I'll be like, yeah, of course, why not? You know what? I'm gonna take myself out on a date. Bye.